My name is Lee Zinzer, and I'd like to introduce you to CitiQuitters and the exciting things you'll learn with us. Here's how it all began. 5 years ago, our family moved from Brooklyn to a fabulous 20-acre property in the Hudson Valley, just 50 minutes from New York City. It was perfect for our family. It was made up of gardens, meadows, and a 5-acre lake, and plenty of woods for the kids to play in. Living here brought us closer to nature, the outdoors, and unexpectedly taught us new things every day on how we connect with the natural world around us. We were excited about the things we learned. We set up an educational center, and we started teaching. As with many stories, our journey started with a dog, Gypsy. And being an Australian Shepherd, she needed something to protect. So before we knew it, we had ducks waddling, chickens pecking, and peacocks strutting. We added some goats, we stocked the lake with fish, and we added 1 million bees for pollinating. You'll get to meet all of them in our CitiQuitter lessons. We started to take notice of the wildlife that was here and returns year after year to raise their young. The blue heron making her nest on the lake shore, the kit of foxes in the woods, the nest of seahawks in the meadow, the huge mama bear that loves to wander up to the beehives. All of this created a wonderful and adventurous learning curve which we share with you. You'll learn important things about the planet, like what's locavor, sustainable living, and how can we care for our environment in a balanced way. Also some fun things like foraging and growing your own food. You'll see how we care for animals, both domestic and wild. We show you how happy goats make happy milk. Happy hens, just more eggs. We'll get up close and personal with the bees, digging right into those hives, learning cool uses for pollen, honey, and beeswax. We have an entire course on how to grow and use live probiotics to create healthy foods, like making kombucha, kefirs, twice fermented sauerkraut, and my all-time favorite, so hot it's not cool, hot sauce. One of our favorite classes is learning how to make fresh and aged cheeses from our hand-milked goats, such as Le Chevrolet from the Loire Valley, which is a favorite hands down. We'll show you how to make yogurt, labneh, milk kefir, even cajeta from Mexico. Another thing we're really excited about is the foundation we started over the summer called CitiQuitters for Kids. This is an opportunity to provide no-cost lessons to remote learners from all over the world due to COVID-19. We give them virtual field trips out of the city and into the dirt, life science and life lessons. We've only scratched the surface of all the things we've learned and teach. So whether you're a CitiQuitter or a CitiQuitter kid, join us on our adventure. There's so much to learn, and we do it every day.